Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Perplexity AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So what is Perplexity AI? So basically this AI can help you to searching for something, but it is more complete and it is not only for example the content generation, and this Perplexity will help you to looking for something that it will be in the love searching, and the information will be factual, and also it will be updated. So if I do the comparison with this ChatGPT, so the ChatGPT usually or mostly can be used for the content generation and for the reasoning, and also do the simple analysis and do the brainstorming. But Perplexity usually will give you the citations or the source of the information itself. For example, I will show you the distinct of this ChatGPT and Perplexity like this. As you can see that this ChatGPT usually for the creative conversation, but Perplex AI usually show you the accurate and search answer with the real-time data. And also there are the knowledge, it more built-in web search on every query and continuously updated. And for example, for the use cases, this Perplexity AI usually do the research first and fact-checking, and usually it is suitable for the academic or professional queries. And let's explore about this Perplexity AI. For example, I will ask something about this crypto, and I ask this question into the ChatGPT. Explain me about what crypto is, like the 6-year-old child. Okay, so this is the answer that has been prepared by this ChatGPT. So the answer over here it's like really simple, but as you can see there are no any source that show the factual information about the crypto, because for this ChatGPT maybe this information is only for the 6-year-old. And since I also use the ChatGPT for the everyday task, but what if I ask the same question but in the Perplex AI? I will click this, not click, just direct my cursor into the home and I will show you. As you can see here that this Perplex AI will give the sources from the YouTube, JetLearn, Screen Time Monitoring, and Easy Peasy Finance. And also there will be the explanation about what is crypto, and this is the explanation for the 6-year-old child. And even it gives you this picture as the simplest way, or as the visual to help us as for example as the child to understand what is crypto itself. And even this Perplexity give you the not only about the explanation but also how it works or how the crypto work, and about the reason why do I invest my money into this crypto. As you can see, this Perplex can be suitable if you would like to have the comprehensive answer, not only from the assumption from the general assumption, but also show you the sources of this explanation. So you can also do the search here if you direct your cursor here, and also you can do the research if you would like to, and also do the lab over here to create the project from scratch. So this research thing, it's like the more deeper to do the research of something that you would like to attach to this. And also you can start to install this Perplex into your device, and also if you would like to upgrade it, then you can do the payment. As you can see, there are the Pro version and also the Max version. And after that, you can discover something over here. It's like about the top topic, the tech or science, finance, arts and culture, sport and entertainment. And also you can create the space over here. So that's all guys, this is about the Perplexity AI, and I hope this video and also AI finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.